Hey children, welcome back. So now what we are going to do? It's a rhyme time. Yes, we are going to sing a rhyme. Okay. So children, which rhyme we are going to sing today? Yes. See, look at this. What is there in my hand? What is there in my hand, children? Yes, I am ready with my umbrella to sing a song. Right? Which song we are going to read? Yes? Yay! First of all, we'll read. See the boy. Boy is with umbrella. Yes, boy is with his umbrella. It's raining. Okay. So in the nursery, you have learned the song, right? Which one? बारिश आई छम 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 बारिश आई छम 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 लेकर छाता निकले हम बारिश आई छम 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 लेकर छाता निकले हम पैर फिसल गया गिर गए हम ऊपर छाता नीचे हम बारिश आई छम 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 लेकर छाता निकले हम पैर फिसल गया गिर गए हम ऊपर छाता नीचे हम ये okay, so you have learned this song in your nursery? Yes. Okay children, so it's a rainy day है ना बारिश चल रही है ना You like to get wet in the rain? बारिश में भीगना अच्छा लगता है Yes, me too. Okay, so see today we are also going to sing one more song. Okay. Yes, look at this boy with his umbrella. Okay, what is there in his hand? Umbrella. What is this? Rain. What is this, children? Rain. Okay, this is our poem. We just sang it, right? Yes. See the children? See the children? With their umbrella? Yes, children with their umbrella playing in the rain. Yes, they are playing in the rain. Okay, yes. What is this? Yes, clouds. What are these? These are the clouds. These are the clouds, right? And what are these drops? What are they? Raindrops. They are the raindrops. ये जो सारे drops है ना What are those? क्या बोलते हैं उनको They are the raindrops. Yes, they come from the above. Yes, they drip from the cloud. Right? Raindrops. Okay. Yes. What is this? Umbrella. It is rainbow colored umbrella. है ना? It has so many colors in this umbrella. Yes, you have this small umbrella. You have it? Yes? Oh, very good. Okay, I too have my umbrella. Yes, what is this, children? Umbrella. Yes, so when we go out in the rain, है ना हम लोग बारिश में जाते तो what we use umbrella. Yes, now children we will be singing one more poem. Okay, which one is that? Children, when it is lot of rain, lot of rain, you like to go to play in the rain, right? but mama don't allow you, right? Mama don't allow you to go na every time. Yes, so what you ask, why this rain is not stopping, right? है ना, कितनी बारिश हो रही है, mama is not allowing me to go out to play, right? So what you do, we will sing one more song for it, right? Yes, which song we are going to sing? Yes, sing it with me, okay? मेरे साथ रीड करेंगे. जब बहुत बारिश होती है, मम्मा जाने नहीं देती है, तो आप क्या प्रे करते हो? व्हाट यू प्रे? क्या प्रे करते हैं आप गॉड को? यू प्रे समथिंग टू गॉड, राइट? कि बारिश रुक जाए सो दैट वी कैन गो टू प्ले, राइट? यस. ओके, सो रीड इट विथ मी. यस. Rain, 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 go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, 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 go to Spain. Yes, we are sending the rain away, right? Because we wanted to play, right? Yes, so you have to sing it with me. Okay. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go to Spain. Rain, rain, go to Spain. Okay, children. So you like the rhyme? Yes, you have to recite it. You have to learn this rhyme. Okay. Yes. So now we will be having a small activity on it. You like the poem? Okay, we'll have small activity on it. Okay. See children, during rainy day, what we do? What are the things we see in our surrounding? Rainy day में हम लोग क्या क्या देखते हैं? क्या क्या what the things we wear or you can see in our surrounding, है ना? हमारे आसपास क्या देखते हैं, क्या क्या पहनते हैं, क्या क्या यूज़ करते हैं? Tell me. Yes? Okay, what we have to do? You have to circle these things. Whatever we use in the rainy day, है ना? Rainy day में जो जो हम देखते हैं ना, we are going to circle that. The things which we see in the rainy day. Okay? Yes. Now see. What is this, children? This is a snowman. This is a snowman. Do we see snowman in the rainy day? No. We see snowman in the winter season. है ना? Winter season में हम लोग snowman देखते हैं. So we don't see snowman in the rainy day. Okay. Do we see clouds and raindrops in the rainy day? Yes. Yes. We see clouds and raindrops in the rainy day. So we are going to circle it. Yes. Right, children? Okay. So next is, what is this, children? Umbrella. What is this? Umbrella. So do we see umbrella in the rainy day? Yes. Rainy day में umbrella दिखती है ना हमको? Yes. So we are going to circle umbrella. Right? Okay. Next. What is this, children? What is this? Raincoat. What is this? Raincoat. So we wear raincoat. Raincoat in the rainy day, right? Rainy day में हम लोग raincoat पहनते हैं ना? Yes, we wear raincoat with a cap, right, to protect ourselves from the rain, right? Yes. So we see raincoat in the rainy day. So we are going to circle it. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now what is this, children? Sleepers. Sleepers. Do we use sleepers during rainy day? No, we don't use sleepers, right? We use rainy shoes, right? We use rainy shoes. Okay. Yes. What is this? Goggles. What is this? Goggles. Do we use goggles in the rainy day? गॉगल्स पहनते हैं हम लोग रेनी डे में? नो. व्हाट वी यूज गॉगल्स? नो, वी यूज गॉगल्स इन द समर सीजन, है ना? समर सीजन में गॉगल्स पहनते हैं ना? यस. सो वी वोंट सर्कल इट. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस, चिल्ड्रन? रेनबो. 7 colored rainbow. Do we see rainbow in the rainy day? Yes, during rainy day we can see rainbow in the sky, right? Sky में sometimes we can see the rainbow, 7 colored rainbow, beautiful rainbow, right? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Yes? Very good. No? It's okay. You can see it afterwards, right? Yes. So we are going to circle the rainbow. Okay. Yes. Now what is this? Yes, children. Gumboots. What are these? Gumboots. So we use gumboots in the rainy season, right? Rainy days, during rainy day we use gumboots. So we have to circle it, right, children? So you understood it? Yes. What are the things we see in the rainy day? Clouds and raindrops, umbrella, then raincoat, then rainbow, then gumboots. Okay, so these are the things we see during rainy days. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the poem and activity, right? So enjoy in the rain. Bye. See you in the next session. Okay. Yes.